Hey hustlers, welcome back to Velocibyte Hustle, the channel where I test and break down real online income tools and strategies. Today, we're jumping into the world of AI tools, but not just any tools. These are the top 5 AI tools every online entrepreneur needs in 2025 to save time, make money, and scale smarter. No fluff, let's get into it. 1. ChatGPT plus custom GPTs, OpenAI. You already know ChatGPT is powerful, but what most people miss is the custom GPT feature. I created a GPT specifically for writing SEO blog posts for affiliate marketing, and in just 20 minutes, I had 3 ready-to-post articles. You can build bots trained on your brand voice, your product, or even customer service FAQs. Hustle Use, content creation, email sequences, product descriptions. Free version available, $20 per month for GPT-4.2. Durable.co, the AI website builder. If you're starting a side hustle and need a site fast, this one's gold. Durable can generate a full website, text, layout, even images, in under 60 seconds. I tested it for a fake digital product brand, and honestly, I'd only need 10 minutes of tweaking to make it live. Great for service providers, affiliate pages, or lead capture sites. Hustle Use, landing pages, portfolio sites, MVP launches. Free trial. Paid plans start at $15 a month. 3. OpusClip, AI video repurposing tool. This tool is a cheat code for content creators. Upload a long video, like a YouTube episode, and OpusClip will chop it into short, viral clips using AI. It finds the best parts, adds captions, and formats it for TikTok, Shorts, or Reels. Perfect for repurposing content and growing across multiple platforms without extra editing time. Hustle Use, content marketing, video repurposing, brand growth free version available. Paid plans start around $19 per month. Notion alone is great, but with AI, it becomes a full-on productivity powerhouse. I use it to summarize long articles, write YouTube outlines, plan launches, and even draft scripts like this one. It works inside your workflow and can generate structured ideas in seconds. Hustle Use, business planning, SOP writing, task tracking, idea dumping. Free AI trial, AI add-on, is $8 a month. 5. Taplio, AI for LinkedIn growth. If you're into B2B services or personal branding, this one is underrated. Taplio helps you write viral posts, find relevant leads, schedule content, and even analyze your personal brand metrics on LinkedIn. Great if you're a coach, freelancer, or agency owner. Hustle Use, lead generation, authority building, social selling. Starts at $39 per month. Final thoughts. AI is no longer optional. It's the amplifier for your hustle. Whether you're creating content, building products, or scaling services, using the right tools can 10x your speed and reduce burnout. But here's the trick. Don't get caught in shiny tool syndrome. Test one, master it, and make it part of your flow. That's how real growth happens. Want bonus tools? If this hits 50 likes, I'll drop a part 2 with 5 bonus tools I use for automation, research, and side income. Want a full tutorial for any of these? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like, subscribe, and remember, real hustles need real tools. This is Velocibyte Hustle. No fluff, just hustle.